Alright guys, so here is how to get your first 1000 leads directly from Yellow Pages sites. Now I want you to know the Yellow Page site are filled with thousands of leads that you could be interested in. Now I know many of you might be like, okay, this is the Yellow Pages site, all I have to do is to input the particular business I'm trying to look for, and for me I inputted plumbers. Now we're going to be having thousands of plumbers, all right, being listed out right here, but we can also filter our search result by inputting our particular location, so the exact location you want to get your leads from, and you're going to be finding lots and lots and lots of leads being displayed for you. Now the problem many people have with this is the fact, how do I get all of these leads instantly, immediately, and much more faster? Now I know there are two ways to bring these things. You can do it manually, where you have to open up each and every of those businesses. You want to copy out their email address, check out their website and all of that, and trust me, that can really take your time, slow and very time consuming. But what if I show you a tool that can help you do this automatically? You don't have to worry about a thing. All you have to do is to plug and play, and automatically this particular tool helps you extract all the leads you can find on the Yellow Pages site. So if you want to lay your hands on this tool, I'm going to be leaving the link down below for easy access. Here is how to use it. Now I work with the Lead Sniper Yellow Pages scraper, one of my favorite ever since I found it. Now it's easy to use this particular tool to extract leads directly from any Yellow Page site of your choice. Now take for instance, now if I click on this particular box right here, you see I can choose the Yellow Pages site I want to get my leads from. Now do I want to work with USA, Canada, Switzerland, UK, South Korea, Germany, Australia, Italy? Several countries I can pick from. So as usual, I would like to go with the United States of America. And the second box here is where you're going to be inputting the business niche you're trying to target. Amazing stuff, right? You can see I have mine already listed out right here, and now you don't have to worry. You can have as multiple businesses imputed for you. So you can see this is 1 in a million too. You can have multiple businesses being extracted, multiple leads being extracted just for you. Now the second box here is where you're going to be inputting desired or specific places. So let's say you want to be detailed about the leads you are getting. You can do that by filtering it down to its exact location. You can see for me, I have New York City, New York, Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Austin, Texas, and many other places. Now once you are done with all of this, you don't have to worry about a thing again. All you need to do is to click on start. Now once you do click on start, it opens up a new tab for you. And now guys, watch this. We're going to be having this particular tool help us extract our leads directly from Yellow Pages site. You see how amazing and how easy it is for you to start extracting leads from Yellow Pages site. So I hope this would help you get your first 1000 leads effortlessly. Now if you want to get access to the Lead Sniper tool, of course you have to pay to enjoy this tool to its fullest, but trust me, I got you covered on this. Now if you look at the pricing plan right here, you can see for the Yellow Pages scraper, guys, all you need to do is to pay just a one-time fee of $149. Now once you pay $149, you can have access to using this tool for a lifetime. I'm using this tool for years now, and trust me, I have not renewed any payment. I'm using this tool to get unlimited leads for myself every single day. Now one super feature I'd also like to share with you about the Lead Sniper tool is the ability for you to work with multiple browsers. So I can open up a new browser, I can set up the same system like the first, and I can be having the same tool help me extract leads directly from Yellow Pages site. Now you can see this first browser is working from the US, and you can see the second browser basically is from Switzerland. You can see how amazing this works. So for you to have access and enjoy the same feature, all you need to do is to increase the licenses you're going to be paying for. Now $149 would only give you a browser. You only use this particular fee for just one browser. But if you decide to use multiple browsers, all you need to do is to choose how many browsers you would like to work with. So let's say you want to work with 2 browsers. All you have to do is to input here where it says licenses. You want to increase this to 2, and you can see we have $224 to pay. So you're gonna be having 2 browsers working just for you. How amazing it is! A one-time fee, a lifetime payment. And if you decide to go with 3, you can say you're going to be paying $335. And if you decide to check out, guys, you have multiple ways in paying for your subscription. So you can see you can work with Stripe, PayPal, and also crypto. However you want to pay, Lead Sniper got you covered. So this is how you get thousands of leads directly from the YellowPages site. So once you are done with the result you have right here, you can proceed in downloading your result either as a CSV file or maybe this other one right here. You want to click on download, and boom, you have it already on your computer. You open this up right away, so you get to see what it looks like. Amazing, guys. So if you think Lead Sniper YellowPages scraper is the perfect tool to help you get leads directly from YellowPages site, use the link down below to get your hands on the Lead Sniper YellowPages scraper. I'll see you in my next one. Please take care of yourself, and bye.